Good evening, this is your man, the Auto Man. Come back with another video of the timing of I10 double VVT hiking. Just try to show you the timing of that motor. I will explain to you easily and how you get it easily. You can see the engine number here, G4LA. Yeah, that is the engine. First of all, let's start from the camshaft. You see the point here. See the marker. See another one here. I'm going with this one also. Do you see it? See the two. So you see the mark right, but where is the timing still? You can see a point here. See the point here. See it corresponding with this. You see, that one is not the where the color shade of it is, but this one is just here that mark with this here. See the other one here, you can see it here. It goes straight with this middle, but we are using this point for the timing. With your color change, you can see it. So we are using this one, this mark. The exhaust side, you can see the exhaust side is going with mark. See the intake, the inlet is going with point. You can see it straight to the mark. That is the camshaft. So let's go to the crankshaft, the one downward. So this is the point of the crankshaft. See it corresponding with the mark. You can see where it's still. See where it's still by this side. So how the main point is, how do you get this point here straight away? So I will need to pull the front cover there, so I will show you. And there's two ways for you to get this point where the timer will start from. There's two ways. You see that you lose the number one plug and turn the piston up fully. You lose the number one plug or the number four, turn the piston up fully. When the piston is fully, you get your point here. Or you put your front cover. Let me put the front cover and show you. Now I've put the front cover. So there's the front cover. See, there's a mark at the back at the pulley corresponding with this zero. There's 0 to 10 here. If you check the camshaft very well from 0 to 10, you see it clearly there. You check it. Let me clean up this. Yes, as you can see. So this is the zero. They start from 0 to 10. So the piston, when the point is here and the pulley mount is here, that means the piston is fully up. You are at the timing point. That is the point that I showed you inside before. This will show you the point. When you turn it here, remove your front cover. Now I will remove the front cover. Remove the front cover. You can see the point. This is how you get the point. The two ways, that is the two ways I explained to you. Is either you don't put the front cover, you tie the both here, turn the piston fully, number one piston up fully, or number four, you get the point, the tiny point exactly. Or put the front cover and pulley, turn it to that is 0, you get the exactly point here. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more video, comments, likes for more video, and thanks a lot.